Hi everyone, gonna be painting this fish scene right here. So I'm gonna make it a quick video. Try to paint real fast because I want it to be like really colorful. I want it to be like, I don't want this painting to be boring, so I'm gonna do it really fast with a lot of bright colors. Gonna be using like yellow, couple different types of yellow, green, brown, red, bright orange, and a couple blues. But I want it to be like super fast and a lot of different colors, so I'm gonna see how fast I can do this.